I'm not going to lie to you guys. This is like my 5th time doing this video because people just keep talking, and yeah. So if I sound a little upset, that's why. But let's get to the breakdown. Yeah, so today I'll be going over UJ, USD, CHF, Bitcoin, and I might do one of these GBP pairs up there. But first, let's start off with UJ. Alright, so first things first, as you can see, UJ is in a downtrend. You know, it's making low lows and low highs, right? And oh yeah, and I'm only going over my daily setups, you know, and how I treat the daily time frame. All right, so yeah, so I think I called this move up, and I was in this move right here. I think I closed it, but all right, so I'm gonna go over how you could have called this move from here to here first. So for my daily time frame trades, I only use the 1 hour time frame. That's it. You don't need the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute. You don't need none of those. You only need one time frame, which is the hourly time frame. All right. So if you break this down to the 1 hour, you can clearly see that the 1 hour is in a downturn. Right? Clear as day. Alright, we're making lower lows and lower highs. And if you look back on a daily time frame, you can see how all right here we're creating bearish candles. So the 1 hour structure makes daily candles. So if the 1 hour is on a downtrend, then what does that mean? That means you should have daily bearish candles. If the 1 hour is on an uptrend, that means you should have daily bullish candles. So when this 1 hour broke structure and made its higher high and higher low, right here, broke the structure, higher high, higher low, shot straight up, what should you see on the daily time frame? This engulfing right here. So when the 1 hour breaks structure and goes into a new trend, you should see some type of engulfing or variation pattern. And the whole time, the hourly maintained its uptrend. You can check back on a daily time frame. The whole time it maintained these bullish candles, right? So when this broke structure, you're looking to get in at the first higher low point the 1 hour time frame makes, which is right here at this engulfing candle. Your stops go below the structure, and my TP was right here. Boom. Easy 95 pips. Easy. You know what I mean? Now let's take this off. Don't need this. Now to catch this move down, it was literally the same thing. Let's draw this over. The same thing. So if I waited for the hourly to go into the uptrend to catch buys, what do you think I would have to do next? Literally the same exact thing. So if the hourly is on an uptrend, you're literally just waiting. You're literally just waiting until the 1 hour time frame goes onto a downturn. And that's exactly what it did. Right here is where you have this hourly structure break. Right here. Boom. And then you have the retest, the lower high point with an engulfing. That's your entry. I think my targets is down here, like this. This is my TP. It's down here. And as you can see, if you look back on the daily time frame, since the hourly broke structure and is now on a downtrend, we should have daily bearish candles. If we do not have daily bearish candles, then that means something's not right. And most likely, I'm going to lose this trade. And as you can see, bearish candles. Now, right now, we're already getting a retrace and it's creating bullish candles. So, why is UJ creating bullish candles? It's pretty simple. I literally just went over it. Drop down to the 1 hour time frame, because that's the only time frame you need, is the 1 hour. Look what happened. Lower high, broke structure. So when this broke structure, right here, when this broke structure, guess what you have on the daily time frame? Right here is where you should get your daily bullish candle. Boom. Right here. Hold on, you really can't. Hold on. Oh, what happened to it? I don't know what happened. I don't know what's going on, but I'm just going to delete that. Make it bigger. I forgot the daily time frames. So there you go. Oh, you still can't see it. Alright, but you understand the point. When this broke structure, you have the high, the high low, high, not potential, another high low. But as soon as this broke structure, you get daily bullish candles. So that's why the hourly is very, very important when it comes to the daily time frame, which is why it's the only time frame that I use. Okay, so and no, it doesn't just work on this pair. This is market structure, so it works on every pair. Now, let's go to, we can go to this pair next. It's the same thing. So the daily was in an uptrend. We have the break of the high low right here. It made a low low and a low high, right? Caught this move up and I'll caught this move down. So, and it's literally this, and it's the same thing, bro. It's the same thing every single time. Like, look, it's simple as day, bro. This is the lower high point. This is the break of structure right here. This is the break of structure. And then we have the higher high, the higher low. Boom. Shut up. And boom. We have our entry right here, engulfing candle. Your stop loss goes below these candles. Your TP is right here. 1 to 6, 160 pips, and you're only risking 24 pips. And as you can see, right, when this 1 hour structure broke, if you go to your daily time frame, you should see a daily bullish engulfing. Boom. Daily bullish engulfing. And as long as this daily time frame maintains these bullish candles, that means that the 1 hour is maintaining its upturn. It maintained its uptrend the whole time. And I think, how long did that take? The trade took 5 days. Yep, 5 days, exactly 5 days. And it's and it's the same thing. You know what I'm saying? To catch this sell, you use the hourly time frame. You don't use no other time frame. We have this high low right here, structure broke, and then we have this low high up here. We have this engulfing pattern right here, boom. Stops, go above the high. And the targets was right here. For a 1 to 15 risk to reward. And you could have actually gotten in again multiple times right here. Engulfing. So you could actually took this trade as well. And this trade right here actually would have been a 1 to 16. So on this, yeah, so 1 to 16, 1 to 15 on this one. And as you can see, it's the same thing every single time, bro. Like it's simple. The same thing. Low, 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 high, low, 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 high, low, 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 high. We have a low, a higher, high, higher, low, boom. So just by knowing that we have this breakup structure, what should we see on the daily time frame? Bullish candles. All right here should be bullish candles right here. Boom. See what I mean? So as long as this hourly maintains this uptrend, then we're gonna have daily bullish candles. Okay, so I went over EJ, USD, CJ. Okay, let's do Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin. Yeah, we can do that. This move was crazy, bro, and it works on Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying? It works on every pair, bro. It works on US30, NAS, cause it's structure. You know what I'm saying? So this works on every pair. But yeah, let's start with the structure. We have our low, low, high, low, tested, low, high, low, higher, low, right? High. Right. So when this broke this structure right here, prices now on uptrend. We have our higher high. We're looking for a higher low point, right? So the fact that these candles right here, right? These two bearish candles, these are bearish because the 1 hour time frame is on a downtrend. It's the same steps. So you go down to the 1 hour time frame. Don't go down to the 4 hour, to the 5 minute, to the 45 minute, to the 2 hour. No, you only use the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour structure makes daily candles. And as you can see, we have all these low high points. And then what happens when these low high points break? Higher high, higher low, engulfing candle. This is a nice candle, bro. This trade was so lovely, bro. Look at this candle right here. Boom. So we have this breakup structure right here. Entry. Stop loss goes below this low. And then my target was right here. And it literally hit my target and melted, bro. Look at that. TP and then melted, bro. Look, and the whole time that this 1 hour structure was in an uptrend, you got daily bullish candles. Now, it hit my TP, right? And as you can see, we're getting bearish candles. Why are we getting bearish candles? Well, because the 1 hour time frame is on a downtrend, but we still didn't get a 1 hour, but we still didn't on daily time frame close below this candle. So we don't have an engulfing or a variation yet. But if you break this down, the 1 hour broke structure right here, then we have our lower high points, which is why we're getting daily bullish, which is why we're getting daily bearish candles. Yeah, so it's literally the same process on every trade. You go from daily to 1 hour, daily to 1 hour, daily to 1 hour, 1 hour to daily. It's the same process every time. And let's do GJ. No, let's do this one. This one was lovely too, bro. This move down and this move up. So we're gonna start with this move right here. Right, as you can see, at this point in time, we are in a downtrend. Okay, making low lows and low highs at this point in time. Break it down to the 1 hour time frame. Boom. The 1 hour time frame is in an uptrend. Break these higher low points right here. You know what I'm saying? It's simple. And if you need to use this, you can use this as well. Boom. Break, retest, engulfing, entry. TP. Right here. Bro, my TPs, bro, they literally hit right on the dot, bro. Like, look at this, bro. This was an easy, it's like a 100 pip move, bro. But look how my TP hit, bro. And literally shot up the other way, bro. Look at this. Easy, bro. Stop loss goes above structure highs. And look at that. And right when you have this break, that's where you should have your daily bearish candles. Let's see if I can fix this. So right when you get this break right here, I guarantee this is when you're gonna have your first daily bearish candle. Watch this. Boom. What did I tell you? The 1 hour structure is what makes the daily candles, which is why you only need the 1 hour time frame. Boom. This right here was it was so easy, bro. Not easy, because trading is not easy, but it's just simple. This is my plan, and I trade my plan, and it works. You know what I'm saying? So that's all that matters. You know what I'm saying? Discipline. I do the same setup every time I trade. I change nothing. I don't enter here at the break. No. It's the same setup, the same time frames every single time. And it's the same thing, bro. Look at this, bro. The same thing. We have our lower high point right here, right? What do we have? We have the breaker structure. We have the double bottom right here. This didn't break this area with 2 candles, so this is tested. Breaker structure. Now we're in an uptrend. Engulfing candle. This is actually a variation. That's your entry. Boom. Entry. Stop loss goes below the structure lows. Boom. Look at that. Easy, bro. Easy. Easy, bro. Well, simple, not easy, but. And look, broke structure, we have these double bottoms, then we have another high low, then we have a higher high, higher low. You have multiple entries, bro. Here, engulfing. Here, this high low, variation. Here, this high low, engulfing. You know what I'm saying? Simple. And watch what happens. Watch what happens when I go to the daily time frame. Look at that. The 1 hour broke structure, you get daily bullish candles. And as long as this maintains these candles, that's how you know that the hourly is on a uptrend. And as soon as you get this first bearish engulfing candle, that's when you close this. That's when you close your trade, or you can just target a support or resistance area. You know what I'm saying? Same thing goes with up here. The hourly time frame. We have this engulfing. We have see, now this one was a little tricky. You can say this was the high low point right here. Break a structure, low high engulfing, enter here, or you could say this is the high low point and then broke structure, and then you have your entries here. So either way, it would have worked out fine. Engulfing, stops above these wicks. 1 to 12 risk to reward. You could even enter here and then here again. You know what I'm saying? Or like I said, you could have just said this was the break of structure. It's all about what you see. You know what I'm saying? It's not about what you think. It's about what you see and what you know. Boom. It's literally it's the same setup. Boom. Or you could even took it here and here and here. That's like what, 50% on one trade setup. Crazy. Now I didn't catch this one right here because this was a counter trend. I don't like doing those, but yeah, same thing. So, and as you can see right now, the daily is on an uptrend. I already got the break at a low high right here on my chart, so you can already tell by how I have everything. I'm looking for a buy type of setup. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, this is how I trade on the daily time frame. And it doesn't just work on the daily time frame. Like if I was to use the 4-hour time frame, then I would use the 4-hour time frame and break that down to the 15-minute. Only 15-minute. You know what I'm saying? Only. But I only like to trade the daily time frame now, since when you trade the daily time frame, you get the big moves. You know what I'm saying? And I like catching the big moves. You know what I'm saying? Like this move down, 140 pips. This move up, 230 pips. This move down, 232 pips. You know what I'm saying? So like, you're eating, bro. You're making money. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm changing like how I trade. I'm only trying to trade the daily time frame, because all the big moves happen on the daily time frame. You know what I'm saying? So and you eat, bro. Like, I'm telling you, man. Like, if you just do the simple stuff that I just showed you in this video, I'm telling you, bro, easy, man. Not easy, simple. I ain't gonna say easy, but so yeah. But the most important part about this video is the 1 hour time frame makes daily candles. Remember that. Okay, no other time frame. As you can see, this has 19 minutes left. It's about to close bullish, look what happened on the hourly time frame. We broke structure. So as soon as we broke structure, guess what we got? We're about to get a daily bullish candle. Why? Because the 1 hour structure makes daily candles. Like, and if you even back to just back test it, like I'm telling you, like you can see it clear as day. The 1 hour broke structure. When it broke structure, guess what you have? Daily bullish candle. So if the 1 hour maintains this bullish structure, guess what you're gonna have on the daily time frame? The daily time frame on this next candle, what it's going to do is it's going to wick down, break this 1 hour high low, and if the 1 hour maintains its uptrend, you're going to get the daily bullish candles, and it's going to go as far as it can go, maybe here, or maybe even up there. And best believe I will be in this. So that's if that happens, though. If, you know what I'm saying? Like, because this can break structure, like how it did, right? Make this hourly high low point, and then do this. Now, if that happens, obviously you're going to get daily bearish candles, and that's why I say it's important to kind of understand, like, because this closes in 17 minutes, so it didn't engulf this candle. So now you have to be careful, because now you don't have an engulfing. You just have a daily bullish candle. Usually when an hourly structure breaks and it breaks perfectly, you get that variation or that engulfing, like how you did here. Engulfing, and then this was the hourly low high point that we tested, and boom, my entry validity right here on this wick. This didn't happen that way. You know what I'm saying? So that's one thing you have to consider, is that when this candle closes, it didn't close how this closed, like in engulfing, like how this. You know what I'm saying? It didn't close with an engulfing, so we could still create this next bearish candle and keep pushing. So you have to learn how to correlate the daily and the hourly time frame. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so those are things to consider. You know what I'm saying? On these trades, you know, you would have made money. Now this trade is kind of the same as, you know, this trade right here. This trade right here, the only difference is these engulf. This didn't. So you know what I'm saying? So but yeah, so yeah, that's how I trade the daily time frame. You know what I'm saying? This is how I trade all time frames. You know what I'm saying? Structure. I don't use no indicators. As you can see, max 3 levels is on my chart. You know what I'm saying? I just use my eyes and I trade what I see, not what I think. You know what I'm saying? I know market structure, so that's what I stick to. You know what I'm saying? I don't need indicators and all the other stuff, but yeah, man, just practice this. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you, man, money will be made. Money will be made. I'm telling you, as you just saw, I literally just went over for Paris, and I can show you this. Look, it works the same on GJ. Same on GJ. Watch this. Watch this. I'm about to go over this right here. Watch. Just see, this wasn't planned, but I'm gonna go over anyway just to show you, like, the daily time frame and made bearish candles, right? Watch this. Watch how I'm going to only use the 1 hour time frame. This is not a low high point. This is the real low high point. This is the real low high point. Boom, low high point, broke structure, higher high. This higher low, you could have entered either here or here. Now, entering here is too crazy. Nobody's entering here. So for this one, you would have had to probably break this down to the 5 minute and enter somewhere like down here. But look, look. And soon as the hourly broke structure, look at the daily time frame. It literally made bullish candles. this video is way longer than I expected it to be. But same thing up here. Hourly time frame. Broke structure right here. Melted. Now it didn't give you the pullback until down here. Now I wouldn't trust this, but as you can see, these are low high points. Well, I mean, these ain't really low high points. Yeah, I wouldn't even trust this. So I would say if you wanted to still get in this, me personally, I wouldn't have, because I would want my trade to be up here. But this is a real low high point engulfing. Boom. Simple. As a matter of fact, I was trying to catch this trade, but it didn't pull back how I wanted it to. It pulled back down here, which is way off from from my level. So I didn't take it. I could have taken it here and here, but it was, I'm good. I'm good. That's still too much. And this down here is the same thing. The hourly broke structure. So right here is where you should have your daily bullish candles. See? Close in 12 minutes. Look what's happening. You have a daily bullish candle, but it didn't engulf. So, you know what I'm saying? So that's a little tricky. 1 hour broke structure. Boom. You're buying down here. Boom. It's easy, what? That's the easy 70 pips real quick, which I don't go for. I go for moves like this. So I wouldn't have taken this trade, but if you wanted to like scalp, you could have, or an intraday trade, you could have easily just taken that up. Yeah, damn, this video is long. I kind of wanted to make this quick, but yeah. So that's how I currently trade, and I just want to give you guys some knowledge, you know what I'm saying? Because I know a lot of people has been DMing me and asking me questions and stuff like that. So hopefully this is helpful for you guys. And yeah, I'm out. I'll catch y'all on the next video.